We turn the page here as we take a look at all of the snow outside. The reality is it is going to melt and it has to go somewhere.
Which is why now is the time local leaders say homeowners should think about flood insurance. NBC 26's Abigail Hankey is live tonight with what you need to know. Abigail.
We are 37 days away from the first day of spring. Now, most insurance policies have a 30-day wait period. So if you were to get flooding insurance today, it wouldn't kick in until March 11th. So as far as all this snow on the ground goes, it's going to have to go somewhere.
It's not a question of if, it's a question of when.
We've seen almost 50 inches of snowfall this season, and NBC 26 meteorologist Michael Fish says we're in trouble if it warms up too fast.
Now, if you have actually looked in your yard and kind of looked at that powder that we saw this last weekend, but also what's sitting there, it's like solid ice. There's so much water locked up, and if we get things too warm too fast, when that melts, if it melts too quickly, it goes into our streams, rivers, lakes. We don't need another drop.
But just in case things do take a turn, local leaders are saying to start thinking about flood insurance now.
Some people think that their homeowner's insurance is going to protect them in case they have flooding, but many times regular homeowner's insurance does not provide the protection that they need.
Homeowners insurance typically covers things like pipes that burst, but not water damage from an actual flood. But that flood insurance is another cost. Local insurance companies say that cost can put people off, but could save you in the long run because it doesn't take much water for your wallet to go under.
It can cost several $1,000s for just as small as an inch or two into your basement.
Sam Martin with the Brown County Emergency Management says last year's flooding still sticks in many people's minds, and that's why now's the time to think about flood insurance in case there's a repeat.
If you have valuables or any kind of property down in the basement of your house and you're in an area that is subject to flooding or could be subject to flooding, definitely move that up to a higher level. If you don't have flood insurance, get flood insurance and be aware of what's going on.
Brown County has been taking several steps in preparation for possible flooding. But if you want to find out if your house is in a floodplain, they have an interactive map that we have a link to on our website at NBC26.com. But you go there, check it out, then you have a better understanding of when you're talking with your insurance agent. For now, live in Green Bay, Abigail Hankey, NBC 26.